This is the assembly video for the Hewitt all-terrain staircase system. Locate and lay out all of the individual parts. It's important that the aluminum side tubes in no area touch the contour of the hill. To learn how to measure for your stairs, please click the link below and watch the tutorial. Locate the assembly sheet packaged along with all the hardware. The height between each one of the steps can range between 7 to 10 inches depending on the grade of your hill. Level the landing area for your stairs and make sure that it's clear of any obstructions. Start by placing the outcrop landing at the desired location, making sure that it's both level and secure. It's important that each railing upright needs to be plumb. Locate and attach the stair bracket to the optional outcrop. Attach the aluminum side tubes to the stair brackets using the bolts. Next, slide the stair tread end cap onto the bolts. Go ahead and lubricate the bolts. At this point, you're ready to go ahead and mount the stair tread. Using an impact drill, go ahead and start each one of the bolts, making sure to leave some play. As our final step, we'll tighten everything down. It's important to notice that the pipe bracket is required on the first tread. At this point, repeat the process on the other side and insert the upright. We're ready to place the stair treads. Remember to use the stair tread end cap and lubricate each one of the bolts. Make sure to leave some play in the bolts to help you set the final pitch. To help support the center of your staircase, make sure that you've placed a step side bracket. Now that the tread height has been established, go ahead and insert the railing uprights into the step side bracket. A typical hand railing height for stairs is 36 inches. Drive the railing uprights into the desired height, leaving room for the handrail fittings. We can now tighten up the bolts on the stairs and add the end caps. Now we're ready to go ahead and place the second of the two platforms. The placement of the second platform will determine the step tread height. At this point, you're ready to place the top stair on the second platform. Longer runs can be assembled on a flat surface and then carried into place. Regardless of where you assemble your steps, make sure to leave play in the bolts. Start by attaching the steps to the bottom platform. This allows you to set the tread height by simply changing the angle at the top. We're going to go ahead and place the top platform now. You can now place the top stair tread. With the stair tread height now set, insert the railing uprights and drive them in. At this point, go ahead and tighten down the set screws. Now you're ready to go ahead and tighten down the stair tread bolts. The railings can now be attached. For enhanced stability, at Hewitt, we recommend using mud pads on each one of the railing uprights. Next, snug up the railing set screws. Our adjustable elbow can be set to any angle. At this point, we recommend that you go back through and double check that all the bolts and set screws are tight. This completes the assembly of the Hewitt custom adjustable stairs.